What's up, everybody? My name's Andrew, and I am with Gaming Paradise. We are out here in Virginia. We are currently waiting on getting our video game trailer from Rolling Video Games, but we are super excited to bring the latest mobile video game theater experience to the wonderful people here in Virginia. I first was introduced to Rolling Video Games when my daughter had a birthday party in South Carolina last year, and the owners of Gaming for Life came out, and we had the best experience. I absolutely fell in love with the video game trailer. My daughter loved it, and even my wife loved it. So here we are, a little less than a year later, and I was able to convince her to get one. And now we are going to be bringing that same experience to the people here in Virginia. And I am so excited. I cannot tell you how excited I am because, growing up, I love video games. I still play video games all the time. And now I get to do it as a job. And I cannot wait because it is going to be the most fun pulling up to someone's house and seeing the smiles on their faces. And we can't wait. Thank you.